king, put your hands up. If you a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another wig review. And I also want to ask y'all if you can continue to vote for me if you haven't seen the last two videos before this one. If y'all could vote for me, I'm running in a competition called Miss Jet Set. And all you have to do is vote. I'll put the link and everything in the description box below. If you have Facebook, you can do a free vote. And if not, you can pay like $2 to vote or $1 to vote. You don't have to pay a lot. But thank you to everyone that does vote for me. Just thank you in advance, and thank you to everyone that has voted for me. I appreciate y'all. Y'all the real MVP. But today we're gonna be reviewing a company called Elfin here. And I'm excited to try it because I'm telling y'all, I did take a sneak peek at it, okay? Like, that's why it's open right now. Like, let me close it a little bit so you guys can see, but this is it. Like, good. So this is a bob. It's a bob wig. All the details and everything will be in the description box below, but the way they did it, the packaging and stuff, is like super cute. All this is like glittery. It's mad pretty. Like, for me, y'all, like, one thing, hold on, make sure it's not in there. One thing about me is I feel like presentation is everything. So not only does the quality of the wig have to be nice, but it says a lot about a company that really takes their time with boxing, really takes their time with packaging and what they put inside of it. It says a lot about that company. So I feel like presentation is like super important. So they give this right there. They sell bundles, frontals, closures, inside is the information and all their social medias and stuff on this paper. Excited. Let me show y'all the bag. The bag. This is the hair, and it's 14 inches. Like I said, it's a bob. It comes with an adjustable strap. They put it in this little baggie. The hair don't have a smell, but I don't know how to explain it. I feel like, why do all hair be smelling the same? Like, why? They give a comb. I need that comb. Oh, they give instructions. It says 100% human hair, virgin hair, best quality. Oh no! Oh, wow. Okay, like this. Wait, hold on for a second. The type of information they give in here is like perfect for beginners. I'm not even gonna hold you because it tells you what conditioners and shampoos they recommend for you. Like, I've never seen this before. Like, and it tells you exactly the brand. Jeez, exactly the brand like that you should use on the hair that's good for the hair. It tells you what you should put the flat iron on so you don't get heat damage. Wow, it even tells you what brand that you should color your hair with. It says Revlon. Like, I never seen this, and it says on the back some do's and don'ts. So shout out to y'all for that, because I never, like, so far all the wigs, I reviewed a lot of wigs, I have a lot of wigs, and I never seen a company like tell me what shampoos and conditioners is good for the hair, even though I already know. And it tells you what color to use, what hair color and stuff, all that. Awesome. Shout out to y'all. We did the wig cap method and everything. My wig cap method is not perfect today. So don't mind it. It don't even really matter though, as long as it's like, you know, stuck down. So this is how it looks. And also I got a coupon code. So I'm gonna put the coupon code right here, 2 at the bottom, and the coupon code will be in the description box below. So I'm gonna be real with y'all. I know I said like I'm gonna wait to try it on with y'all, but I tried it on and like, look at this. They did really good with the plucking. Like, look at this. This might be good for y'all beginners. And then this is the inside, so it's a frontal. Y'all see the inside? They did good with the bleaching. Like, I don't need to bleach it at all. It looks good. No bleaching needs to be done. Look at this. It is getting some shedding though. It is getting some shedding. Man, don't judge me, okay? I took my wig cap off, okay? I mean, I took my bonnet off, so now you see me, I see you. Yeah, I be having a good old time when I make videos. Like, I love making videos, y'all. Like, I feel like it's so fun, and it's like, I feel like it's supposed to be fun. Like, if you're doing YouTubes just for clout or just for money, just for the wrong reasons, like, don't do YouTube. Do YouTube because the fun of it, like, you enjoy making videos, you love teaching people, you love learning. Like, don't do no videos for the clout. They do anything for clout. Ain't that the song? All right, let me put this on. Hold up. So this is how it looks on my head. I'm gonna use the Ghost Bond glue, okay? Because I might want to keep this on my head for a little bit. So I'm gonna use the Ghost Bond lace glue. I love this glue, but I did use alcohol. Alcohol helps so that to take all the oils that was on your head off, so that, because oils will, like, it will cause your lace to lift. So you always want to put alcohol around there before you apply lace glue, so that your lace can last longer, your wig can last long, and no lifting or anything. Okay, so let y'all know what I did. So I did 2 layers of the Ghost Bond, you know, the lace glue. I did 2 layers and waited till blow dried it until it dried clear. Always make sure it dries clear first before you ever put your lace on, because then you'll have like white spots and stuff. Never, man, look at how this is melted. Never apply the lace while it's white. And then I used the Got To Be Free spray just to add a little. I just wanted to try it again to see how it went. So I did do that, and then I tied my hair down with a scarf and let it sit for like 15 minutes, and I blow dried it just so that time could, like, you know, so it could just be faster and quick. Right now I'm just heating up my hot comb, and we about to do it. I want to do a side part, so I already parted it a little bit. I'm gonna use a flyaway tamer and just put it right there. It's gonna like really melt the lace. It's really gonna help the lace to melt like a flyaway tamer. It doesn't even matter what brand you use. You just need a flyaway tamer so that everything could just come together. So I want to do a side part. This is good. Looks like it needs a little plucking so that it's a little wider. So it needs a little plucking, so I'm gonna pluck it. So this is the finished look, the bob frontal wig. So let's get into the review part. It's not gonna be too long, it's gonna be short and sweet, but let me just show y'all a little how it looks. I was a little extra this time with baby hair because I don't really be doing baby hair, but today I did a little swoop through how to get a little Berber hair. Man, I was mad ugly. Berber hair. But let's get into the review. So number one, the packaging, amazing. I love the packaging, and honestly, I was trying to find my brush. I love how, okay, so they really took their time, okay, because I love how they didn't give no doll baby lashes. They look like mink lashes, so they feel good, okay? They look good. They don't look like lashes that's on, you know, doll baby's eyes. They gave a good quality brush. I needed a brush, okay, because like I said, my brush was raggedy. I needed a new brush anyway, so thank y'all. I don't have to, you saved me some coins on a brush, even though it's brushes and well, actually brushes be expensive these days, but thank y'all for the brush. The hair didn't have a smell, like it just smelled like hair. It didn't have a bad smell, like it didn't stink, but it did have a smell. Hair is soft, definitely soft, and like very, like it's really manageable. It did shed some, but like every time I get any wavy or curly hair, I always expect some shedding. Another thing I could say though, like I feel like this wig is beginner friendly to a certain extent, okay? Now let me say why. Like frontals is a lot of maintenance, okay? Like it's not, you can't just throw it on. I mean, this wig can be glueless though, but like I just feel like it's still a process. Like even if you don't do glue, it's still a process. You gotta make sure you know what you're doing, how to like cut the lace off, and you know, like, you know, not cut it like in a straight line, like do it zigzag so it looks natural. It looks like a real hairline. I just feel like frontals period is just a lot for a beginner, but it does help when companies, like this hair did come pre-plucked. I still went in and plucked it, but like you don't have to. Like I still could have plucked it some more. Like it still needs a lot of plucking, like, you know, the way I want it, but yeah. And then I just feel like it's also a pro when the lace is bleached, so I didn't have to bleach it, so it saved me so much time, because bleaching takes time, plucking takes time, so it's better when it comes pre-plucked and comes pre-bleached. So that is a pro for my beginners. But just watch, if this is your first time, if this is going to be your first time purchasing a frontal, I recommend it, but watch videos so that your wig looks natural, it looks good. You know, you don't want no straight line hairline, okay? It gotta look like a hairline, like it still look like a hairline, okay? Mine is not perfect, okay, because with frontals, I'm still learning. I feel like even though I've been wearing it for like a couple of years, but like I just got better recently, so like it's a lot of practice with frontals. It takes a lot of practice, but don't give up, because I'm not gonna give up, because I feel like with frontals I'm still a beginner, but I still know what I'm doing, but I'm still a beginner, okay? I'm still a beginner. So, you know, never give up, keep trying, keep practicing, and yeah, so that's all I gotta say for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to use my coupon code right here. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to vote. Love y'all. Bye.